Hey everyone, so I'm back and picked up a Rollo label printer. I've been using the Dymo 4XL for a long time and it works great. Everyone seems to love this Rollo, so I thought I'd order one in, try it out, and if I do like it, I'll use my Dymo as a backup, but I will keep my Dymo. One of the nice things about these Rollos is you can get the huge rolls from UPS, I believe. Yes, it's UPS. We'll send you rolls that will work in the Rollo printer. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this thing unboxed and hook it up and see how it seems to perform. Just stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. This is the Rollo Logistics label printer. Let's get it open, see what's inside this box. Well, they got it taped on the ends too. That's better. Packing slip, user guide, power cable, the printer cable, and then the Rollo. Well, let's have it all taped up. I'll cut the tape off of this and we'll start again here. So we have the wrapping all off, power button, where the cable connects and the power. Like I already mentioned, everyone seems to like this printer, and we're replacing our trusty Dymo. Not actually replacing it. I'm going to use the Dymo as a backup, but I wanted to give this one a try, and I'll get it all hooked up here and we'll run a test on it and see how it does. So we're all set up, and Rollo gives us a sample 4x6 label to try this out. And I've already tested this, but I do want to point out one thing to you. So when we go over here and we click print, comes up to this screen so you can check out your label. If we leave this at 100%, what happens here, I'm going to go ahead and print one. It completely fills the label. And what I mean by that, completely fills the label. There's no white space around the label. Now you can go set that up in the settings, but an easy way to do that, same place here, and if I go up here to print, and this screen comes up, if I change this 100% to 95%, and I click print, you will see that we have nice white space completely around the edge of the label. Now, one of the things I really like about this, there's a couple things actually. One, as I have already talked about, is it will take the big rolls of labels, which we can pick up free, but also the speed. This thing is really quick. It's spitting these labels out, but also on top of that is the density. the darkness of the label and how clear this label is. It's amazing. The clarity is really good. So anyway, it prints nicely. The setup was easy, and this is going to be a winner. So there you have it. That's the new Rollo printer that I have, the new wired one. I did want to point out that the Dymo 4XL that I've been using, it worked great. I mean, I've had no issues with it. But one of the problems that there is with this type of a printer, or this printer, is you're limited on the size of the rolls that will fit inside it. And the labels are not cheap. So the Rollo printer can accept those big rolls that you can get free from UPS, and I will put links of the Rollo and of the UPS and so on where you can get those labels in the description below. So if this kind of information helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video.